As a Chiefs, Raleboha for keeping our seat warm. Thank you so much. We are here now. We have arrived. Ready, we are focused. But I'm just joking, guys. I really think Kaizer Chiefs is gonna really put up a good fight, like but all of this season. Like I have hope for Kaizer Chiefs. I don't wanna lie. Sundowns, obviously, mentality monsters. Just like Man versus John always says. No question about that. So it's going to be a really interesting season. But with that being said, I'm happy Mputuma started. Shout out to the coaches. We do not turn our back on our own. We don't do that. Okay? With that being said, God loves you. So do I. See you on my next one. Mwah.
DJ, play me Lonely at the Door. Lonely at the Door. Money on my mind. Don't care what they're talking about me in particular.
Okay, can get to the point. How many people have? What Peri? Temanya. Kumon I give Pagana Lam Cocotte. Eh, how Pagana Lam Cocotte? Pagana Jahit. Ah, Ebro. Umunzu. Kankan. Uyibone hlo. Wabona, she. Dija fast. Ah, kanyeni. Slamba. Oh. Umunzu. Kanka. Cheaper peso. Cheaper. Yini lento bafethu? Yini lento? Yini? What is that? What was that? What was that? First half ngidlale kahle. First half played so well. Netomnitsa never mincisa dog. Second half I don't know. Yini lento beniyenza achieve mfethu? Shiya ukudliwa. Fine. Ngabe ndliwe. It's okay ukudliwa vele. It's a big club lemendla nayo. Pirates fine. What was that second half, bro? What yini lento beniyenza cheaper, bro? Come on, bro. Come on. Dog, you guys been babambile, dog. Ben babambile. Benina. Second half. Angas. Hey, bro. Come on, bro. It's okay, though. It's okay. It's fine. But cheaper.
I knew Pirates were going to win that match. Ask me how. I saw Dion Hotto in the starting lineup. Then I knew I straight win Pirates. Because the last few games the Pirates have been... Hotto, if I'm not mistaken, hasn't started them. He's come off the bench. So when he started this, and I was like, 3 points full. Orlando Pirates are going to collect. Not even 3 points. Now they're even on top of the log. Defending champions go back to first. It's their place, belongs to them. We're in trouble, more straight. Brandon Truter, you need to make some hard decisions in some departments. Sorry. Starting off with the goalkeeping department. Changes need to be made there. Defensively, first half it was okay. But they started getting uncomfortable at times when they were on the ball. The second half you saw. Once they got tired, those mistakes came out to play. Pirates, my God. And Pirates, I must applaud one person from Pirates. CM. That guy's match reading is next level. Straight out of guy. The way he reads a game. The way he times everything. The tackles, when to get back, when to clear the ball, when to take an extra touch. Smart play. Even added a goal on top of everything today. Hey. Yeah, ne? Pirates go back to first. Are we going to slip that first position again, Namakos? I don't know. We'll wait and see what develops. But it was nice to see Chippa United fast start. Set here. First few minutes on Pirates. Set here. On your marks football, Chippa United. But then obviously as things went on, Pirates grew more into the game. Now I wonder, Chippa United, do we give Brandon Truter a few more games. I think so. It's too, you don't want to, because you're not cheaper. You coach 3 games and you're gone. So, and cheaper now, whippy, twacked. And I'm sure the cheaper are looking to X the coach. I say not yet. Give Brandon Truter a few more games, because first up they were decent. Up until the 60th minute mark, let me say, they were okay. But then once Pirates scored the first goal, floodgates opened. Floodgates opened. Yeah, we're in trouble now again. Here we go.
I was not even hate watching because I knew this team is gonna win. Kodwa ngibuza ukuthi 3 goals umayelana nani? Why 3 goals? Because kumele niwine kahle ngo-2-1 or ngo-1-0. Nina ngomakhelwane abanjani? Nawenzanda ukubuka. Ayinethanda ukubuka.
Hey, Pirates is under pressure. Pirates is not under pressure.
Yes!
Pirates is not under pressure.
It's cruising nice.
All teams are under Pirates.
Yes! Even Kaizer Chiefs.
Yey, yena ubukeka dangerous nje. Yazi ubukeka dangerous. Cha ubukeka dangerous.
Well, nalimen pele lena limen pele just malobanyana mokiwe. You guys were saying it's no big deal, re happy at this 1 point, as long as 1 point is better than nothing. Lena gel drillel Amazon. So today ka re bolela rena re abolela gore okay fine, re draw ile Sundowns is better than nothing. You guys are saying re celebrate a draw. Tshedifi o ka celebrate a draw? O ka ithoma draw wena wa celebrate kae wena? Draw ka ithoma kae wena? Ka go celebrate o ka ithoma kae? Rena we are just saying Sundowns we knew gore ke team e leng gore is very strong. How easy gore bete Sundowns. Ebile how easy le gore draw le bona batho bana. How easy. Ke the most scoring team right now. E win at 3 something. No. Ne, but rena re khonne go ba holder 1-1. And ebile 1 ya bona ke eng gore ba ikorele because of mistake ya keeper rena. Ke re bolelo ja mohuto moso le re hey jwan o ka celebrate a draw wena wa igona draw o ka celebrate. You guys were saying we are just fine with it's fine, we will take. There are so many posts taking in Jama Pirates, but it's fine, we will take that 1 point, we move on. But another the same thing, le celebrate a draw. Terrific. Agreement pele lena.
Semjalo enkabza amezweni. Bathi lapha ku position 1 kuphuma ikwerekwere mngena umuntu. Phuma ihashata phuma ivukuvuku mngena umuntu. Akuhlala amahashata position 1. Siwinile ezweni si number 1. Asinandaba nalamthuthu na Sunflower thina sihleli phezulu ezweni. Ongekho right abe west. Phuzi Alperim esineke ngeretex. Avuke kusena olala esiporweni. Ziyakhala kunjena ezweni. Zikhokonda. Kanko mabhakaniya. Phela inyama kuka ama-Brainston. Bathi shilo sakushaseka.
Siku half time man. How was the first half?
Kahle futhi ngisho ukuthi ngiyafana njengomuntu ozele ku vacation because abafana becheap abafuni kuze emapalini. Ngicine sengicabanga nokuthi hayi sinyizele emotweni nje ngiyothathela iyogurt ngihlale phansi ngizidlele.
Okay, all the best Wimba.
Ngiyabonga.
Ichipa. Chipa bengizihlalele phezulu kahle akaze ndihluphe akaze ndithi nxa kuwe. Uhlula ukubamba iOrlando Pirates ngedraw. Chipa ikhona into yaziyo thina singayazi. Njalo wena mawuhlangana nePirates uyadliwa. Ube niyibambe kahle nina naya ku half time. Bese nibuya. Chipa ngubani wathethetelana le game ngoba igoli lokugcina licace cha ukuthi nina le game niphise ngayo. Chipa apho nihlangana nawe khona. Apho nihlangana nawe khona Chipa. Sidlala nini neChipa?
And then there's this partnership. Nkosinathi Sibisi Bodlela, the captain, alongside the man of the match in Lebone SCM. Listen, wow. Partners in crime, my bro. They specialize in clean sheets, these two. Wow. No, take a bow, bro. These two are so good, man. They are so good. I mean, Mvana. What a performance. Uspisi mfethu Bodlela skipper. Ha. Mina ngiyakubona mfethu, and then Siema yo, he's so good. He's so good. Obviously, like, there's still room for improvement. Obviously, you can't say he's perfect, but he is good. He is good. Because, like, there are instances whereby he likes to drive in with the ball. Like, he does it way too much, and I think it's going to be costly sometimes. But no, we're not here for that. We're here to give them their flowers.
I thought Cosmo Foken left. We're going to have a little break. To cope, Bro, who's this Lungu, man? Who's this guy called Lungu, bro? Where did you get this people? Where do you get these people, man? Like, but did you see that? Did you see that 10 leading up to the goal? Bro, it's like defenders to this guy are non-existent. It's like he's playing with cones. He's playing against cones. He doesn't see any defenders, bro. Wow, brother, what a 10, what a goal. Did you see his first touches? His crosses, the crosses he was whipping in. You see, like, the problem there in that game was Mbutuma once again. If Pirates had a proper number 9, those crosses, bro, were going to be used. Those crosses Apolis was putting in, Lungu was putting in, Hoto was putting in. Those crosses were going to be utilized if they had a proper 9. And now this guy just came in 9 minutes. Just 9 minutes and he's already scored. He already overscored Mbutuma with just 9 minutes. And did you see how fast that coach ran to him to celebrate with him? That guy from Zimbabwe, I forgot his name. But that moment when I saw the coach running towards that guy, but Mbutuma is never playing again. It's never playing, man. Mbutuma is going to be benched, is going to be subbed, is going to be a sub, bruh. The way that coach ran to that guy to celebrate that guy, bruh, you could tell. And did you see that goal, bruh? Composure. He didn't even rush, bruh. Eyes on the goalkeeper. He gave the goalkeeper the eyes, and the goalkeeper moved and opened up space, and he just slotted it in. 3 goals, 3 points, back on top. But at least someone is at least someone who follow wheel go fast, no. Hey, never rasa dama.
I want you guys to tell me your favorite team between Orlando Pirates, Sundowns, and Kaizer Chiefs. Which one is yours?
Pirates.
And you?
Pirates.
Yes.